Good morning, everybody. This is Claire, Maryland Real Estate Lady. We are on Doris Ave looking at this very cute house with a backyard. So let's take a little walk around the house itself and I'll show you what I am seeing. All right. So fenced in backyard and front yard, which I think is very handy because, as you know, I have a doggy. Or if you've watched other videos of mine, also perfect for chickens. Hi guys. They're like, hey. So if you've got kids, it's a fully fenced in situation. Make a little garden paradise out here like they have. Let's go in. Right, let's set in here. Got a little living room. Let's zoom out a little bit so you can see all of it. So right when you walk in, got a cute little living area here. Leads to this bathroom. Actually, I really like this back splash on the shower. Look out on your garden. Where's the light in here? Okay. Not sure where that music is coming from. A little walk-in closet. Yes, I love these. Ooh, and space above for clothing, shoes, what have you. I'm not sure if someone's in here with us, so I'll knock on the door. Okay, and then we have a second bedroom. Got a cool little walk-in closet here. Okay. And then we've got to the upstairs. Oh, sounds like there's a dog up here. Okay, well. Oh, got a cool little setup up here. Turn, Gimbal, turn. Oh, neat. Well, this is cool. Hi, kitty, kitty. Bedroom up here. Actually, that's really neat. It kind of feels hidden. Hey. This is actually like really cool. I love this. It's got a nice little closet up here. Well, that just grabbed my attention. As you can see, it needs a little bit of work, but it's good bones. Cool. You walk through here. I saw a kitty friend a second ago. This whole upstairs area is very cool. And then you got a little closet storage area here. Where'd that kitty go? Meow, meow, meow. Needs some work, but this is very cool. I kind of love it. This house feels like it's got history. I think we may have let the kitty out, which we'll go do some looking. Look at a closet. No kitty in the closet. But we'll go ahead and shut this door. Looks like we got a puppy too. Alright, let's check out the kitchen. Oh, that's a cool kitchen, and you can look out and see your garden. I kind of love this. Oh, hey guy. Found him. Hi buddy. Don't worry, we won't bother you. You can look out, see your garden area. Love that. You know, I really like this brick wall here. This feels like real brick too. It's not like a facade. Let's turn this on. Get a little light in here. Cabinetry looks good. And I really like this backsplash on the counter. So all in all, looks like it could be a great buy. And there's a basement. All right. Yeah. Oh, cool. This little house has a lot of hidden cool things about it. I kind of love this. Got a little bathroom down here. I am surprised. Because it doesn't look like there's this much to it on the outside, but... Huh. How cool is this? You got your laundry. Okay, this is a cool house. Just a neat spot, I gotta say. Hey guys. It's got this sweet porch on the outside. All right, so thanks for coming with me. Make sure you like and subscribe if you are enjoying these videos, and let me know what other neighborhoods, what other price points, what you'd like to see, and whatever will work for you. And if you want to come and see this house in particular, I am Claire at MarylandRealEstateLady.com. Feel free to message me, and you can also just message me with any questions that you have or comment. But either way, it was great to have you follow me, and I will see you on the next video.